Yes, welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to talk about my market analysis, and I will be talking about three markets: the NASDAQ 100, Bitcoin USD, and gold. And what you're seeing right now is a software that I developed myself, and it can actually scan the manipulation areas in every market. So we can scan the NASDAQ for manipulation, for liquidity hunts. We can scan crypto, we can scan forex, stocks, commodities, gold, silver, you name it. It's not a software that I released. I only use it for myself. As some of you know, I'm also a software developer. But I use it to speed up my analysis. It can literally scan like 34 pairs like in seconds, so I don't have to like scan through all of these pairs manually, so it saves me a lot of time. So in the future, if a lot of people are interested in it, I might release it, but for now I'm just using it for these analysis and that I'm sharing with you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys an outlook on what I think the market is going to reach for this coming week. I'm gonna keep it as short as possible, but as informative as possible, so you guys can know what my thought process is. So this is not financial advice, but it is my thought process of what I think the market is going to do if certain conditions are being respected, because that's what the market is about. You don't want to put a 100% prediction on things, but you do want to have like an indication of what price is going to do, so you can react on it. So yeah, without further ado, we are on the NASDAQ 100 at this point. And what we want to do is we want to look at the previous day, the previous open day that was on Friday, because right now it's Sunday, 4th of January, starting off the new year. And last Friday we can see the market moving down aggressively, hitting the previous low of Wednesday. So what I can see, if I look at the NASDAQ 100 trading visualizer application that I developed, I can see that sell-side liquidity has been hit in the monthly in December right here, 2025. So how does the software know that? Because it looks at the equilibrium point of the dealing range. So the dealing range that we're in right now is this low right here and this high. So if I put in Fibonacci tool, we can see that we have a mid-level of 0.5. That means that we have an equilibrium line. It's exactly the half line level of the range that we're in. So under this level of the 0.5, we can consider the market in a discount. That means we get cheap prices just in case if the market wants to get up, and that's how the market moves forward. It always looks for discount under the 0.5 levels in the ranges that it is in. So that's how we know that we have sell-side liquidity. So the good thing is I didn't have to really do this manually. I just already have my software checking that for me, so it's way faster. So yeah, I know that we're in a discount basically, and we ended the week exactly there. So what I want to see, if price needs to get up, is I want to see it respect this low that it created. If it does not respect this low, I expect these lows to get hit, and then I expect it to go even lower. But if it does respect this level, then I expect price to get higher. Then I expect price to go all the way up in here, maybe even here, right here. So that's my outlook on the NASDAQ For Bitcoin, I have almost the same analysis. So I also think Bitcoin is actually going up. I can't give my in-depth analysis of why exactly I think that's the case, but actually I can give you a small reason. It's exactly the same reason, obviously, why I think the NASDAQ is going up is because we have a current range of the previous week, previous month, and we were bouncing around the 0.5 level again, and it respects it. So we can see higher prices from that discount all the way up to these highs right here, or even higher. So what do I expect? Maybe a little retracement, and then it continuing up. And then we have gold. If we look at the software again, we can see silver, or gold is right here. It says in the monthly manipulation, says bullish continuation. So if we go to gold, we can see that we had a liquidity run. So that means an old low has been targeted. And in this case, Wednesday, 31 of December, it has hit the low of Monday, 29 of December. So once the market targets an old low, especially on Wednesday, you can consider that a liquidity run, but you must see a strong rejection of that level, and that's what it showed me. So after this liquidity run to the downside, it went up immediately and stayed here, and then went down back up here, and this is where the market closed. So what I think is going to happen, what is a big possibility, is for this level right here to create support for prices going up. So for it to hit these equal highs, and for it to maybe reach for even this high right here. So the only way I want to participate in these in this buy is if the market obviously respects this area. So if you can see the market respecting that, be my guest and do what you gotta do, make some money. If you don't see it respected, just sit on your hands, don't do nothing, and wait for better setups. But yeah, these are the three markets that I was looking at. I'm planning to release a video of my thought process of analysis and setups of the market almost on a daily basis. So depending the support and the people watching it, if you guys like it, I will make more of these type of videos. I will also make some execution videos, how I take these trades. I'm trying to give as much of the process as possible, trying to show as much as possible that I can, so I can help the community grow, especially the beginning traders out there. So for the people that don't know, I have a Discord community. We're over like 40 plus people right now. You can join the community, and obviously we will help you get started. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.